Deepak, I know that you have studied the subject so well और आपने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे हैं, आपने बहुत सारा नेट पे पढ़ा भी है लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के बारे में. So what inspired you to attend this workshop, and was that different, and is this beneficial?
Well, Kiranji, I would say attending this course is the first benefit of the law of attraction which I was practicing. I have been going through law of attraction topics and related topics, from last 6 months. I have been reading it on YouTube day in, day out, and how to implement those techniques in my profession or, in my various aspects of life, right? So, but what I felt, after going through this 2 days of course, that, here the basics, how to, implement the good things in your life, and the queries handled by Shakun was so well. I mean, his reply was very prompt, and now I'm finding it very easy. Then just picking up from YouTube and implementing it, and it was not in our. And as it is said that half knowledge is always dangerous, right? So I would say that yes, these 2 days course is very beneficial for me. I'm feeling more confident, and I think now I can implement it, and any objective, whatever is in alignment with the principle of nature, right, is doable and achievable.
Yeah, you rightly said, half knowledge is dangerous. हम लोग नेट से, यूट्यूब से आधी अधूरी नॉलेज लेते हैं, and instead of getting benefited, हम अपना कितना नुकसान करते हैं? We are not
absolutely, yeah. So I think our right master is always required, yes. And I found the right master in Shakun, and in your organization is doing a wonderful job, and I'm definitely going to recommend it to my kids also. I think they are in the right age to go through this course.
Completely.
So that they can change their belief accordingly, right? So, but thank you so much, Kiranji.
Yeah,